The Asia Pacific is very unique in this world. There's only one of it, and it's diverse. It's large. It's the largest region on Earth. And we have some of the most advanced economies in this region. We have least developed countries. We've got landlocked developing countries, and we've got small island developing states. So just that spectrum of social and economic factors that are at play do make things quite challenging.
This creature or this entity called the internet and what it brings with it, be it AI, be it robotics, be it other forms of artificial intelligence, means a lot of things to a lot of people. We at, for example, the APNIC Foundation, together with APNIC, our sister organization, we provide the basic infrastructure for connectivity for all these digital things to happen. And we have to keep it running well so that all this innovation can happen on top. And what we're appealing to organizations is that tell us what you think the internet means to you. We will be able to come and work with you, together with our constituent partners, to assist you in achieving your agenda, be it your corporate agenda, your social agenda, your community agenda.
Internet is infrastructure. It's an ecosystem. So everything is there, and we have to keep the fairness for everybody. That's the thing we need to fund this, because try to overcome the problem of digital divide. Help, no matter it's a rich country or poor country, has to be connected, right?
Even the internet, the AI is the internet, the robot is the internet, that's fine. Drone is the internet, that's fine. A lot of beneficial new technology and the new impact to the people. But the basic thing is it's an assumption that the internet is properly operated, right? And doing the services. So this part is much more important. And like APNIC Foundation, the internet expert community should be taking that, external or top to down impact and utilizing that. And then explaining that how internet is important for your favorite AI, your favorite, the drone, your favorite robotics, your favorite Netflix, how internet is so important.
The areas of focus in digital development in Asia Pacific, one of the biggest issues at the moment is access. We've got a population of 4.5 odd billion people. It's the biggest growth area for the internet. But we're reaching that point where it's really the access and limitations, whether it's due to environment, it's socioeconomic, or even moving into sort of communities where it's access for progression for women and gender diverse people to actually move their way up the ranks. So it's not only connectivity, but it's also building those connections with the industry to elevate those people that didn't otherwise have access to greater opportunities.
Because it's the underserved areas or the unserved areas which need the most help. And those are the ones the most difficult to provide connectivity to. But it doesn't stop with just connectivity. There needs to be digital literacy programs, there needs to be a supporting ecosystem, there needs to be things built on top of that connectivity that will answer the "and what" question for people, right? Because just bringing a cable to an island, as we have seen from some of the projects that we've supported, doesn't actually solve the problem. The problem starts to get solved when we start building things on top of that cable, building a supporting ecosystem, building industries that can leverage that connectivity, businesses that can leverage that connectivity, the education system, the health system. When they all start leveraging that connectivity, that's when magic happens.
The good things about the foundation, they have access to many different areas or economies, right? By educating a certain economy, giving them examples of how the other economies are doing, women are doing, might encourage this one particular economy.
I think one of the things that the foundation has the unique positioning is, if you need some basic or connectivity at the network layer, our constituent members through our sister agency APNIC has all the connectivity with all the ISPs. They are members of APNIC. The next layer, if you're talking about the applications, within the community that we serve in APNIC, and then by extension the APNIC Foundation, also are able to reach out to the large multinationals who operate and do business in this part of the world, and so on and so forth. So I see ourselves as being uniquely positioned to be able to pool together people